Hey guys, I'm Ivan. I run Odenix, an AI automation agency. Today I just want to take you through this Facebook ad agent I built. Essentially, how this works is you give it an industry. Uh, it This worker conducts research on successful ads in that industry, and then this agent takes the information gathered by this agent and generates an ad based on criteria it's being given. So it's nice and simple. Got the supervisor here. All I've changed in the supervisor is I've told it to go to the research agent first and then to the advert agent. Very simple. Running a chat open AI model here, connected by this API key. Running the latest GPT 4.0 high temperature. We need it to be creative. This work is running SERPA API, which is a Google search API essentially. Just get the prompt up. So we've told this one it's a research assistant who specializes in finding examples of successful Facebook ad campaigns in an industry stated by the user, and then passes those to the Facebook advert agent. And then the Facebook advert agent is a copywriter specializing in Facebook ads. Takes ads that the research agent finds and reworks them to fit the needs of the user. We've told it that it writes persuasive, engaging adverts based on whatever product or service is given to create an advert for. We've told it to follow the problem agitate solution framework for writing effective adverts and to focus on creating an emotional connection rather than just listing features and benefits, because that is obviously more engaging, more persuasive. Right, so if we go save that, go clear previous chat history. We're going to tell it to just do plumbing. So a plumbing company. So then it goes to the advert research agent first. Researches the best strategies and insights for advertising a plumbing company. Says advertising a 24/7 emergency service is good. Seasonal offers and discounts are useful. Video tutorials and tips are helpful. Advertising customers that have had good experience with your company, that kind of thing. And then it's created us a Facebook ad. Stop plumbing disasters before they start. And it's starting to advertise a problem, agitating that problem, and then offers the solution. So it follows that framework we told it to. Then we just need to edit that to add the company name, details, all that kind of thing. But yeah, there we go. Thank you very much for watching.